Hello, it's RNO here, and we happened upon this box of stuff at a Walmart, and we have no idea what's in it or what we're going to get in it. But we figure, why not document it, because that's what we do in this world. So here we go. It's 2021 Topps Gypsy Queen Blaster. All right then, open stuff. This may be a long video because, well, we don't know how to open stuff. In the meantime, why don't we look at the 1992 Skybox Team USA basketball set. Now,
all right.
box is open. Let's see, what do we have? Open this up and we have stuff. We have stuff. Okay, what kind of stuff are we going to get in the stuff? Okay. And there are how many in there? There are 7 packs of stuff. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Please bear with this shoddy videomanship. Okay.
Oh, wow, these are nice.
We got Joey Bart, rookie card. Very nice. Okay, we got Joey Bart. Alejandro Kirk, also a rookie card. Did very well for the Jays this year. Andrew McCutcheon. Nice vet. Very nice looking piece of cardboard. And we have, oh, I don't know who this Tucker dude is, but it looks cool. Oh, we have a green parallel, and this is a Mike Trout. We'll figure out what that is. And then
I think there's it's in every pack.
Green parallels in every pack. I don't know about the blue parallel though. And Mr. Moreland, and also a Senor Dunn. Okay. Well, these are pretty nice looking pieces of cardboard. Kyle Tucker. Oh, Kyle Tucker, blue parallel. If you see here, good people. Oh, he is numbered.
Oh, really? Oh, let me see.
What number is that?
83 out of 150.
Pretty cool.
Wow.
Pretty cool indeed.
Okay, next pack.
Okay, so we have here, we have, don't know what that guy is. All right. We have, Yamaguchi. Okay. We have another, oh, he's a catcher. That's all I like him immediately. He's a catcher. We have Horner. Don't know that guy either. We have a Rodriguez. Green parallel. Very nice. Eduardo Rodriguez.
Oh, that sounds nice.
We have a Tarot of the Diamonds, and this one is Nolan Arienda. Very nice looking tarot card theme. Keep Brian Hayes rookie card base. Sweetness. Okay. So like all your other breakers do, and put all the cool stuff in a pile and the other stuff in another pile. It's gonna be a long video. Okay. Pack number 3 has, yeah, I don't know this dude. I should know this dude, but I don't. He's a Blue Jay. I apologize. This one is, oh, Carlos Carrasco. He's got some name to him. Okay. And we have Indians pitcher. Okay. Very nice looking card though. And we have a blue border parallel.
Green.
Brent Roker, if I'm not green. Sorry, green. Brent Roker. Very nice. And then we have a Chicago Cub. I don't know who this dude is, but I like the picture. And we have a base card of Brent Roker. Oh, so that was a rookie card of Senor Roker and a parallel green. Wow. We have 4 more packs. Wow. 4 more. Okay, so pack number 4 has Mike Clevenger. He has a very nice YouTube prank video that he did on a junior college team. And we have R. Tapia. Okay, next. Dude, a Dodger named White. Okay. We have a Giant named La Stella. I really wish I knew baseball like I did basketball. Oh, Key Brian Hayes, green border parallel. Let's put this somewhere. And then we have also a Trevor Story base. I like him. And a Carpenter. Matt. Okay. Pack 4. We may have to edit this or not. Okay, so pack number 4 starts off with Meadows. Ooh. Ooh, we did get a captain, a Joey Gallo captain. These apparently were told to be not in the blaster boxes, but this is very nice. Senor Gallo. Ooh. Green border parallel Odor. I can never pronounce his first name, but it looks like a really nice piece. And we have, Kevin Biggio. Didn't have the best season, I guess, as a sophomore, but he still looks like he's a really good player to be. Aquino. Aristides Aquino. Right. Good guy. And then we have, I cannot pronounce this dude's name, but very, could be good. And Steven Strasburg. This guy's pretty good. I heard.
Okay, second that.
Number 6. There should be a draw where we don't have to talk.
These are very nice.
They're very nice. Look at this one. Is it Zach Wheeler? Yes. We have Josh Donaldson, former Blue Jay. Wish he'd stayed. Jay Walsh. Not the guy from America's Most Wanted. Jason Hayward. Green. Was it Jose Barrios? Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Another Kyle Tucker? No, different Tucker that we got. And Senor Paddock. Okay. Now for the last of the 7. Oh, did have a Kyle Tucker. Okay. So the last pack we got here, we have AJ Puck. And we have Brian Anderson. I'll say Brady Anderson. We have Rasmussen. Drew. These are really nice looking cards. JD Martinez. Okay. Nice green parallel. And then we have Conforto. And last but not least, we have Jesus Sanchez. Very nice. So, good people. That was a first box break situation. And we did happen to encounter two other nice insert cards here. Oh, plus the
In the small one.
plus the Joey Gallo captain card. And this Tucker here is a 1 out of 150. So 1 out of 150 there. Very nice. So yeah, I guess hope you enjoyed, and we'll be back with another terrible box break in the near future.